Thinking about launching your own website this year, but not sure where to start? In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to build a WordPress site using Hostgator step by step so you can go from zero to live website in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and go to hostgator.com. If you're new to the platform, Hostgator is a hosting service known for being beginner friendly and reliable, which makes it perfect for WordPress websites. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account. And if you don't have one yet, creating it only takes a moment. Just follow the prompts. After logging in, you'll land on your main HostGator dashboard. This is where all your tools and settings are located. Look for the section labeled website and click it. From there, select the add site option. This is where you'll set up your brand new site from scratch. Next, choose install WordPress. WordPress powers millions of websites because it's flexible, powerful, and super easy to manage. So it's the best option here. Once you click install, HostGator handles all the technical work automatically in the background. You don't have to touch any databases, files, or code. When the installation finishes, you'll get a confirmation and instant access to your WordPress dashboard. From there, you can start customizing. Pick a theme, add plugins, create pages, and manage all your content directly. Everything is connected through your HostGator account, so switching between hosting and WordPress is seamless. And just like that, you've set the foundation for your website, whether it's a blog, business site, or online store. The fun part really begins with exploring themes and plugins and shaping the site to match your goals. If this walkthrough helped, stick around for more quick guides just like this. Now, go build something awesome.